Hi, my name's Naomi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I've got a very fun it is from My Teresa. The box is actually ginormous. And then inside I bought a pair of Balenciagas. So these did come very securely. This came inside a box, in this big yellow box, and then in this box. I'm just going to check this box on the floor. So as you can see, these are from Balenciaga. I've noticed that the boxes got a little bit damaged already, and for an expensive pair of shoes they shouldn't really, even the box shouldn't really be damaged. So inside you do get your authenticity card. Also, it's kind of like a little booklet on how to take care of your product. I've also got your dust bag, so to store your product, but also if you want to take them away with you, you can put them in here. This is also really good if you want to take like clothing outfits separately, like when you're going away you can pop your outfit into it, close it up, and then it's all ready. Got your shoelaces, and then inside the tissue paper are the trainers. So these are the Triple S trainers in all black. I think they are absolutely gorgeous. And you've just got Balenciaga written on the front. And you've got Balenciaga written on the bottom here. See, these are absolutely fabulous. I've wanted these shoes for so long. I also read that you should go a size down in these, so I got the size UK 7 instead of UK 8 because they do fit a little bit big. I know these shoes are like super popular right now, but they are so cute and they're so like up my street. And I think the black ones are a little bit more underrated than the white ones are. Like, I've already got a nice pair of like chunky white trainers. These shoes are £615. And you have to admit they are absolutely gorgeous. I think I probably should have actually stayed true to size in these because they're feeling a little bit tight, so I might have to send them back and reorder them. If you did enjoy this really short unboxing video, please remember to like and subscribe for more. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.